It was weird to me, honestly. Very weird. I remember the silence first. The streets were very empty. As if the city itself has gone into hiding. Lockdown came swift and harsh and unexpected. I looked outside at the world through glass. My prison wasn't bars. There was windows and walls that still just kept me apart. I vaguely remember the people were furious. At that time, walking on the street was just filled with panic. Fears, anger somehow.
I can never forget, not even if I try. That scar pressed deep, an unhealed line across my memory. Marked by the days in Shanghai, they shut the apartment gates, locked us in like shadows in our own homes. Close quarters, cold metal barriers. I hated it. I broke the lock on our gate. It was repaired, and broken, and repaired again. A cycle of closed doors and distant echoes. Families are split by concrete walls and silent streets. I asked myself, who was I in that fractured silence? Who am I, even when my art feels bound? A face at the window, fingertips pressed to the glass. An artist with no space, a human with no room to breathe. Paints dry in closed jars. My voice hushed, stilled, lost between walls that felt more like walls within myself. Just a bit more love was all we needed. A bit more kindness in those days when each second stretched too long. When all I wanted was a taste of that world outside. When I missed the freedom that I thought I'd always had. To walk, to wander, to be. We are trees planted in pots, roots pressed tight against the edge. Branches reaching for a sky they'll never fully touch. The soil is shallow, the space finite, yet they still lean toward the light, stretching as far as they're allowed, quietly longing for the earth beyond. Nothing is stopping us.